Welcome to Clean Proposals. Our goal for today is to get you familiar with the software so that you can create and send professional proposals with ease. First, we're going to ask you to create a new prospect. Normally, you would enter real client or prospect information here, but for the purposes of this demo, we're going to ask you to enter your information and email the first proposal to yourself. Next, we'll guide you through the proposal builder. In the builder, you learn to add, remove, or customize work specifications, use the calculator, and send proposals. So let's get started. All right, welcome to the proposal building portion of the software. You've selected the type of work that you want to do, and the software will automatically load all of the areas and cleaning tasks for you. It is very simple to use the software. If you want something added to your proposal, just check on it. All right, now let's add a flooring type here, and let's open up an area card and look at the cleaning tasks associated with the conference room. Again, the concept is very simple and it works the exact same way throughout the remaining portion of the software. If you want it in your proposal, check on it. If you don't, deselect it. And if you want to customize it, anywhere you see an edit pencil, just click on the edit pencil and you can make it your own. It's that simple. So welcome to the calculator here. The calculator is very powerful and easy to use once you learn the layout and the features, okay? So here up top, you're going to have your labor rates and information. So if you have people on payroll, this is what you would fill out. In this case, we have a custodian. We have one of them making $17 an hour, working 4 hours twice a week. Now, the software is going to lay out your monthly cost, your annual cost, and your cost per clean for this particular labor. So that's what it cost you. And down below here, you can see we have a trainer in here. So you can have multiple labor types at different rates of pay. So this one is making 20 bucks an hour. This person was making 17. And the software then gives you a subtotal of your labor costs. You see where here it says labor costs and you've got two of them. So it's giving you a total of what this monthly labor cost is right here. And then you can add additional expenses such as cleaning supplies. So you're telling the software that you have $50 a month in cleaning supplies. And down here, you have a total of your labor cost and your monthly cleaning supplies totaled down here. And right here is where you would add your profit margin. So let's say you want to make 30% or 40%. You would just type that in there. And right here, the software is telling you that 40% profit margin is $439.55. That's what you'd be making every month on this particular client. However, you can just simply enter in a profit amount that you want to make. Let's say you think you can make $750. So we'll go ahead and type that in here. And did you see this number change here? Now the software is telling you if you want to make $750 a month on this particular client, that is a 53.22% profit margin. Okay, so you have your labor subtotal, your additional expenses here, a total between your labor and your expenses, and this is the profit margin, or excuse me, the profit dollar amount, your monthly revenue that you'd be making, and this is the profit margin in a percentage. And this is what you would be charging your clients. Now there's two other ways to use the calculator. One, if you look over here, you see that we already have building square footage entered. The software is now telling you that you're charging 9 cents a square foot on this client. So what you can do to override all of this, if you just want to bid by the square footage, you would just simply have your square footage already entered here and then type in what you want to charge per square foot. So let's say we want to do 14 cents a square foot. You would just enter that here. Oops. There we go, 14 cents. And now it is calculating that for you, telling you that it's $2,100. And lastly, what you can do if you want to skip all of your labor, all of your additional expenses, you don't want to bid by the square footage, you know what you want to charge, you can just simply come down here and enter in a dollar amount. And this is what's going to populate in your proposal, and you'll be charging $2,500 a month to your client. We are in the final step of creating the proposal. You can just scroll over here, pick a proposal theme. Let's just choose this one. You have dozens to choose from. We'll click Save. And Your logo and information would be on this cover page. It comes equipped with a cover letter. Everything is customizable, so if you want to change something, just click over here, click the edit pencil, say what you need, hit save, and it's that easy. Let's close this and let's take a look at the compensation section. This is how your prospects will receive a proposal in this beautiful HTML display. We also have the option for you to download a PDF and attach it to your email. Everything, like I said, is customizable. So if you want to add equipment in there, just check it. Now you have equipment and supplies in there. And let's go take a look at your scope of services, which is here. And we'll scroll down to your scope of service for your project work. It's laid out in a beautiful explanation, step by step. And you are always going to wow your prospects and be #1 on their list. You're going to stand out, have the most detailed and professional proposal, and be able to charge more as well.